Before now, we only have access to the Paws tokenomics and not the total supply. But a day ago, we see the Paws team post on X with this very post programmed to Paws. Paws allocation checker for Telegram users is live. Check it out via Paws web. And you see this very message: 100 billion token will fill the ecosystem. What this means is 100 billion token is the total supply. So in this video, let's discuss the price prediction now that we know the total supply. And if you were eligible for the Paws airdrop, but you were not given any allocation, stay till the end of this video. I'm going to show you one or two things to do so that you can check your allocation again. All of this in this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. First thing first, if you come to the Paws homepage, okay, the website right here, if you look at the Paws tokenomics right here, which is very important, we have 62.5% for airdroppers, 12% for ecosystem, we have 10% for team, 8% for liquidity, and 7.5% for Solana OG communities right at this point. But with this, we can tell that about 70% of this very token is going to be in circulation, or 100% of this token is going to be in circulation. That is, the entire 100 billion can be in circulation, or 70% can be in circulation with this kind of tokenomics. And if we have 100 billion token, then that means we can come up with a price prediction that is very, very realistic. And before we go into that, we all know that the Web3 energy, the Web3 momentum is gradually coming back down, unlike what we see last year, okay? And one of the tokens that have the same 100 billion that I've listed is Amstar Combat. If you look at the price of Amstar Combat here, Amstar Combat gets the listing at this very price level of 0.201, right at this very point. And price move all the way upward to this very price level of 0.01. Look at it right at this very area. One thing that is also very important here is, if you look at Paws is not going to be launched on the Ton ecosystem, on the Ton blockchain. Rather, it will be on Solana, and Solana have more user, more energy than Ton. And I am looking at Paws to do even much more better compared to the airdrop that we've seen recent time, not Amstar Combat specifically. And with this, I can say that I have a reasonable price prediction for this very token before it land major exchanges. If we have the total supply for Paws to be 100 billion, then that 100 billion total supply, which will fill the ecosystem, is going to equal max supply. So the next thing is the circulating supply for me is going to be about 70%, or the entire 100 billion is going to release into circulation. However, let's use the 100 billion total supply equals circulating supply and get a price prediction that is very, very realistic. So if you look at it, if 100 billion is going to be in circulation, so 100 billion token in circulation, and we say 100 billion multiplied by 0.0005, because that is where I am expecting the price to start from, 0.305. That is a listing price, and we are going to have a $50 million market capitalization for Paws, and the market can move a little bit upward, which will definitely happen to 0.203, which will give us a $300 million market capitalization. This is what I am personally expecting on this very Paws listing. So when it lands on major exchange, expect the price to start with 305 with a $50 million market capitalization. And within 24 hours to 1 week of listing, we're going to see the price move to 0.201, which is a $100 million market cap, to 0.202, which is a $200 million market cap, and to 0.203. So my range of price for Paws is between 0.203 and 0.305. So this is my minimum right here, 0.305, and price is going to move up to 0.203. This is very important on this very airdrop. That is assuming everything is in circulation right here. That is the total supply, which is 100 billion, is equal circulating supply. Now if they change this, that is if they do not put everything into circulation, that is if we have 70% of this token in circulation, let's say for example, and Paws decide to release 70% of the total supply into circulation, that is we'll be having 70 billion token in circulation, and that I'll be going with a 0.0007. okay, that is, this should be the starting price of Paws if 70% is in circulation, which will give us a $49 million market capitalization, and price is going to move up to 0.005, which is also very, very important if they put 70% into circulation, which is very, very possible. So these are the two scenarios I'm looking at: a total supply equal max supply, 100 billion in circulation, and 70%, which is 70 billion into circulation. This is the price range I am looking at right now. So with this price prediction, we can tell what our token value is going to be irrespective of our various allocation. Let's say, for example, for myself, if I tap on this very claim button and I click on next, you see my allocation right here, which is 78,248 token. With this, I can tell how much my token is going to generate for me when it hits major exchange. So if we have 78,248 multiplied by the least I am expecting if the entire token is released into circulation, which is 0.305, this will give me $39, which is not even up to what I spent on this very airdrop, because I spent about $70 to $100 worth of ton. And the market is going to move upward, definitely. Listen attentively. Market is going to move upward. This is my listing price, okay? Very important, listing price. And market is going to move upward to 0.201, which will give me $78 to 0.202, and even up to 0.203. This is what I am expecting. And if market do up to 0.203 with a $234, I should be in significant profit if I spend about $70 to $100 worth of ton. So this is very important. So you can use this to check the range you should be expecting the value of your allocation right now with this very price prediction. And this is my personal opinion, and you can have a contrary price to my own price prediction, which is very, very fine as well. But this is very important because if you check the history of this channel, we have an accurate price prediction of over 90%. Another important thing right here is that there are a lot of persons that were disqualified or that were not given any allocation at all, despite the fact that they were eligible for this very airdrop. And if you come to this very claim button right here, if you did the activity check and you were ticked good, that means you were congratulated by the Paws team that you are eligible for the airdrop. These are a few things you need to do right now because I encountered similar challenge. So the first thing I did was to update your Phantom wallet. Okay, update your Phantom wallet using the Apple Store if you are using iOS, or you use the Play Store if you are using Android, which is very simple. After updating your Phantom wallet, also update your browser. Okay, update your browser through the same stores, okay, whether Play Store or Apple Store, anyone. Update your browser, update your Phantom wallet, and go back and recheck again whether they will give you any allocation, because I encountered the same challenge and I did this and I discovered I was allocated this very token right here after so many hours of struggling. And this is very important if you're struggling to check your allocation or you were not given any airdrop at all. Check this right now and it may be the solution to your problem. And comment below in the comment section of this very video, what is your price prediction for Paws, owing to the fact that we now know that the total supply for Paws is 100 billion total supply, 100 billion. Okay, what do you think the price is going to be? Is it the same thing with me, or you have a contrary price prediction? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Let me see that out and let's see the community reaction to this very listing that is coming very, very soon. As of now, the claim button is very, very inactive. As you can see right now, we need to wait for the Paws team to make this active so that we can claim our token to the various exchange of our desire and convert this token to dollars so that we can use it and move on to another airdrop. And from the look of things, I also believe major tier 1 exchange is going to come on board from what the Paws team is doing right now. Listing is going to come. Let's wait for the Paws team to give announcement on that. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel for more technical and fundamental analysis and day trading and investing strategy. Link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for your support.